Welcome to the Any Connector Audio Insight series, where we break down complex tech topics into plain language and real value for your business. In today's episode, we're tackling a pain point many organizations face: legacy system headaches, and how modern middleware is your secret weapon for overcoming them. Let's get started. Legacy systems have been the backbone of critical business operations for years. Whether that's managing your finance and payroll, maintaining customer databases, or running your supply chains, these platforms are trusted for their stability and reliability. But as anyone who's worked with them knows, they're also outdated, challenging to update, and notoriously tough when it comes to integrating new features or technologies. You might think, why not just replace those old systems? The reality: replacing them outright is expensive, risky, and deeply disruptive to daily business. So, what's the smarter alternative? Middleware is the layer that sits between your legacy system and modern applications. It bridges the gap, allowing new technologies to connect to your trusted old systems without an extensive overhaul. Let's talk about the standout benefits and what that means for your operations. Let's break down the key benefits of modern middleware. Minimal disruption. With middleware, there's no need for a full system replacement. Your business keeps running smoothly while new features and connections are added in the background. Faster integrations. Modern systems effortlessly plug in via APIs, unlocking the value of both new and old technologies. No more lengthy, complex integration projects. Lower costs. Forget about the financial burden of rebuilding from scratch. Middleware helps you avoid large-scale redevelopment, which means major savings. Better user experience. Give your team and customers a front-end refresh, sleeker interfaces, and better performance, without ever touching the complex back-end code. Extended system lifespan. By keeping legacy platforms functional and adaptable, middleware can give your systems a new lease on life, ensuring they stay relevant and future-ready. Let's look at a real-life example. A major financial firm needed real-time insights from its old mainframe system, rather than scrapping their platform. A move that would have cost millions and caused operational chaos. They opted for middleware. The result? They were able to connect their mainframe to modern analytics tools, delivering instant, actionable insights to both employees and customers. All of this was achieved without the headaches, risk, or expense of a complete system replacement. If you've been struggling with legacy system headaches, remember, a full rebuild isn't your only option. With Any Connector's modern middleware approach, you can empower your business to innovate, integrate, and thrive without looking back. Thanks for joining us today. For more business transformation tips and solutions, stay tuned to Any Connector.